Okay guys, so I'm back with these two blushes from CoverGirl. You guys, I have been seeing these blushes in the drugstore and I really wanted to try them out. I got it on a sale now because drugstore products started to be really getting sky high. So this one is CoverGirl True Blend Enhanced. It's a bake blush. So I'm gonna try these out today on my cheek and see. This one is in 430 berry punch and this one is in 420 strawberry dazzle. So these are the two here that I am going to try out today on my cheek. So I'm going to use this one here on this cheek, and then I'm going to use the other one on the other cheek. So these are really pretty. Really, when I said pretty, they are pretty. So I'm just gonna make a swatch here and show you how it look. And these are bake blush. So let's see how it look. So this is the first one I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna apply it to the cheek here and see how it does look. And the cheek, I like blush a lot. I think it enchants your face, and your face look different when you do apply blush to it. So this one here is 420 in strawberry dazzle. This is it, this one. And then we are going to use the other one on the other side of the cheek. So this one is 430 in berry punch. So let's try out berry punch and the next side of my cheek. So I'm gonna use another side of my brush, this here, and this is how it look. Apply it to my hand here, you can see. So this is berry punch, this one and the other one. So let's do this, you guys. And you can see when you picked it up here, oh wow, this is beautiful, like really pretty. I love how pretty this is. And this one even come off more than the other one. So you have two blushes here. Wow. I haven't in a while, I haven't used any makeup because of my eye surgery that I did. I haven't really used. Look at this. So this one is this side and then this side, this one is this side. So I'm gonna try a little bit more of this here. I think out of the two blush, I do love the two of them, but one is more brighter, one take on more than the other, which is this one take on more than this one. And you can see it here. These are the two blushes from CoverGirl, you guys. So I bought them because it was on a sale, so I decided that I would really pick them up. But you can see here how it look on the cheek. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching, and God bless you. I'll see you soon. Bye.